to another video. Today I'm going to be doing an after video on this Electromode Mercedes KK vacuum. It's cleaned up pretty well. You can see it's faded where the sticker's been, but it looks alright. I'm mainly making a quick video of this because I am going to be selling it. So I might not have it by the time this video goes up. Here on the top it still has the holes unfortunately, but it now has a switch, so there's a Panasonic switch in there. Slight damage to the back of the handle, the race plate and that engraving on there. Let's take it apart quickly. The filter again is a little bit broken, but you know, it still works. And then here we have a brand new bag on there. So that can kind of just save that from getting dirty when I do turn it on. Again, under here, motor unit, just pretty standard. But yeah, it's cleaned up alright actually. Nice bit of polish and wax all over it, and it does look quite nice. I'm trying to really downsize my collection at the minute, mainly because I want to get a car very soon. Here's the plug, again, standard. So we'll plug it in quick to the RCD because it's quite old. There we go. It runs. A bit squeaky. But we've got the hose. And yeah, here we go. Yeah. Don't want to use it too much because I don't want to dirty it up inside for when I sell it. But yeah, it runs alright. But yeah, there we go. There's a quick after video on that. So thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. And of course, bye for now.